The buzz around the ongoing trial between Amber Heard and Johnny Depp is everywhere, and the after effects for Amber Heard might be more damaging than she initially thought. No more movie roles. The outcome of this trial is likely to have a bad effect on Amber Heard's career as an actress, as she might not be featured in any more movies ever again. These effects are already playing out while the trial is still going on. A petition calling out DC Warner Brothers to remove Amber Heard from the role of Queen Mira in Part 2 of Aquaman has surpassed 4 million signatures as of May the 15th, and there is speculation that her screen time in the movie that has already been shot has been reduced and her role might be removed completely before Aquaman 2 is released. If this is happening to her career before the trial is over, imagine how bad it will be when the verdict is passed. It appears as if Amber Heard has been going through a lot, especially on the set of Aquaman before the trial even started. There has been a really interesting event where DC Films president Walter Hamada gave a long testimony against Amber where he mentioned that he tried to remove the actress from Aquaman 2. While giving his testimony via Facebook, the president said the need to remove Amber was due to some domestic issues on the set of Aquaman. He revealed that the actress lacked the necessary chemistry with her co-star Jason Momoa, and that they were already looking for a replacement. It's quite shocking to find out that the officials in the movie studio were already looking for ways to let go of Amber even before the trial. If DC already wanted to drop Amber due to a reason like lack of chemistry with a co-star on set, then Amber's career future in Hollywood doesn't look good. And many producers are most likely going to blacklist her from featuring in their movies. It's also obvious that fans will boycott any future films starring the actress. Not only that, but many of her colleagues are already against her. The actress might have to focus on another business to keep herself together. Financial loss. One certain thing that will happen to Amber Heard after the trial is that she will lose a lot of money, whether she wins or loses the case. The ongoing trial has cost her a lot of money already, and that is going to keep piling up until the trial is over. With the way the media is involved in this trial and already making Amber Heard look like the perpetrator, the actress's legal team might be finding it difficult to contain how the media affects the ongoing trial. And that is going to cost Amber a lot of money. The actress is also spending a lot of time and money trying to control and settle the situation with the media and how her case is being interpreted by the rest of the world. Attorney fees and court costs are a huge amount to cover, especially in A-list trials such as this, so there's no question that it's damaging. Another way Amber could get into a huge financial loss would be to lose the case entirely. Johnny Depp is suing her to the tune of $50 million, and losing the case and having to pay out this huge amount will have a negative impact on her finances. Because, just recently, the actress declared that she was going through financial difficulties, which was the reason she couldn't fully donate her divorce funds to charity. Losing the case might even put her in a more depressing financial state than she's already in. The actress has already spent a lot, and it looks like it's going to get worse even after the trial is over. Also, Amber not getting roles in Hollywood again after the trial could mean fewer streams of income for her, and that might be very difficult, especially since she's used to multiple streams of income at once. No respect left. There's so much exposure coming from this trial that has caused Amber Heard's credibility and reputation to be questioned by members of the public and the jury as well. People in high places, fronting important events, and companies might no longer believe or take the actress for her word again after this trial. One of the reasons the actress might lose credibility after the trial is due to the recent revelation that the actress, who has been known to donate to charity in the past, lied about donating all the money from her divorce funds to the ACLU and the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles. A TikToker who did some digging into why Amber is not reliable in her plans to donate her divorce funds to charity said Amber appeared in a show in 2018 to confirm that she had indeed donated all the money to charity. When asked in court in 2022 why she lied about donating and still hasn't, the actress's lawyer continued to blame Johnny for Amber's failure to fulfill her promise when they said, "Amber has been delayed in that goal because Mr. Depp filed a lawsuit against her and consequently she has been forced to spend millions of dollars defending Mr. Depp's false accusations against her." This isn't true because Johnny paid Amber the divorce settlement in 2018 and didn't sue her until 2019, which gave her more time to give the money she promised to the charity. Although Amber was able to pay out some of the money to charity, she had lied to have paid everything and is now using excuses to get back her reputation. Her credibility would be lost after the trial, as she might be found to be one that that can't be trusted anymore. In Hollywood, no one likes to be associated with someone who doesn't keep their word, and Amber is already losing many great relationships due to this, and it will only worsen after the trial. It's difficult to gain back credibility once it's lost, and Amber would definitely have a hard time proving to the world again that she's a good person. No more relationships. With the playout of this trial, Amber Heard might find it difficult to be with someone who would trust her enough to be with her in the future. No one would want to be in a relationship with someone who attacks them and makes their house unfit for them to come back into. The unfavorable history of Amber's relationship is all over the internet, and that would be difficult to erase. Anyone interested in the actress in the future might just back out after doing a few Google searches. The trial has exposed Amber's unappealing dating history and how problematic she was to her relationship partners. Amber, who was once in a relationship with a woman named Tassia Van Ray, was said to have gotten arrested at the airport while having an argument with her. The actress was taken into custody at the time and was booked based on a domestic attack after she hit her girlfriend at the Seattle-Tacoma International Airport. The prosecutor, who was assigned the case the next day, however, decided not to press charges, and the lovers continued their relationship till they separated. Tassia denied that Amber ever attacked her and claimed the situation was manipulated, although Johnny Depp thinks otherwise, and he said many women who have been in relationships with Amber Heard in the past all have a story to tell about how brutal Amber made the relationships for them. Another damning consequence that cannot easily be forgotten is the audio clip of Amber, where she openly admitted to having hit Johnny. The clip said, "I am sorry that I hit you across the face in a proper slap. But I was hitting you. I was not punching you. Babe, you're not punched. I don't know what the motion of my actual hand was, but you're fine. I did not hurt you. I did not punch you. I was hitting you." In the audio clip, Amber confidently admits that she was in fact the perpetrator in the relationship. This would make her have trouble having a loving relationship after the trial because no one wants to be at risk of getting hurt. The statement might definitely put many potential partners away from her. Aside from romantic relationships, some of Amber's domestic workers have testified about how terrible she is as an employer, which may discourage others from working with her in the future, to no one's surprise. Bitter future. Amber has been described as someone who has borderline personality disorder and histrionic personality disorder by the psychologists hired by Johnny Depp's medical team, Shannon Curry. Dr. Curry, who describes Amber's condition as someone who likes to blame others and can be self-righteous, said Amber is the type of person that can get bitter if things don't go her way. And with the way the trial is going, Amber might have to deal with lots of bitterness after the trial. She also explained that Amber has extreme fears of being alone and abandoned, and she tries to take this out on her partners. The doctor said, "All of it is like pistons of an engine, kind of firing off and igniting one another. But when somebody is afraid of being abandoned by their partner or anybody else in their environment, and they have this disorder, they'll make desperate attacks to prevent that from happening." The doctor, who explained in detail what the mental illness is all about, also said that those with borderline disorder can be charming and sophisticated despite suffering from the illness. Amber Heard's repercussions, like being blacklisted from Hollywood and not being able to land acting roles, will come after this trial, whether she wins or not. That will ultimately make her feel abandoned and left out. She's already getting criticized by some of her celebrity friends and colleagues, and this could make the actress really bitter and sad, as the doctor implied. But who can be surprised after all that went down? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.